Leave granted. The present criminal appeal arises out of an application for interim maintenance filed in a petition under section 125 CRPC by the respondent wife and minor son. The respondent number 1, wife, left the matrimonial home in January 2013. Shortly after the birth of the son, respondent number 2, on 2/9/2013, the wife filed an application for interim maintenance under section 125 CRPC on behalf of herself and the minor son. The family court vide a detailed order dated 24 August 2015 awarded interim maintenance of rupees 15,000 per month to the respondent number 1, wife, from 1 September 2013 and rupees 5,000 per month as interim maintenance for the respondent number 2, son, from 1 September 2013 to 31 August 2015 and rupees 10,000 per month from 1 September 2015 onwards till further orders were passed in the main petition. The appellant husband challenged the order of the family court wide criminal writ petition number 875/2015 filed before the Bombay High Court, Nagpur bench. The High Court dismissed the writ petition wide order dated 14th August 2018 and affirmed the judgment passed by the family court. The present appeal has been filed to impugn the order dated 14th August 2018. This court issued notice to the wife and directed the appellant husband to file his income tax returns and assessment orders for the period from 2005 to 2006 till date. He was also directed to place a photocopy of his passport on record. By a further order dated 11 September 2019, the appellant husband was directed to make payment of the arrears of rupees 2 lakhs towards interim maintenance to the wife and a further amount of rupees 3 lakhs which was due and payable to the wife towards arrears of maintenance as per his own admission. By a subsequent order dated 14th October 2019, it was recorded that only a part of the arrears had been paid. A final opportunity was granted to the appellant husband to make payment of the balance amount by 13th November 2019, failing which the court would proceed under the Contempt of Courts Act for willful disobedience with the orders passed by this court. In the backdrop of the facts of this case, we considered it fit to frame guidelines on certain aspects pertaining to the payment of maintenance in matrimonial matters. There are different statutes providing for making an application for grant of maintenance, interim maintenance, if any person having sufficient means neglects or refuses to maintain his wife, children, parents. The different enactments provide an independent and distinct remedy framed with a specific object and purpose. In spite of time frames being prescribed by various statutes for disposal of interim applications, we have noticed in practice that in a vast majority of cases, the applications are not disposed of within the time frame prescribed. To address various issues which arise for consideration in applications for grant of maintenance, interim maintenance, it is necessary to frame guidelines to ensure that there is uniformity and consistency in deciding the same. To seek assistance on these issues, we have appointed Miss Anitha Shinoy and Miss Gopal Sankar Narayan, senior advocates, as amici curiae who have graciously accepted to assist this court.